Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Driv Wild. Today we are talking about Doordash Driver walks onto court during Duquesne Loyola Chicago game in apparent social media stunt. So this video has been going viral on a lot of different ways. This has been sent to me by a subscriber, Tia Bar. Thank you so much for sending me this video and making this video possible. There's a lot of things that I question throughout this whole thing. Number one, why are we not even sure if this is a Doordash driver or an UberEats driver? No one even was able to confirm that. Number two, one thing that was confirmed that it was a prank. And number three, what is actually going on? What actually happened? So with that said, I want to go over everything that's being said in this article, how it actually is for gig workers and customers and the places they deliver to and everything in between. So with that said, let's get started. Someone working at the UPMC Cooper Fieldhouse in Pittsburgh really wanted McDonald's on a Wednesday night, or so it seemed. A DoorDash delivery driver wandered onto the court with a bag of food and a drink from McDonald's just minutes into the second half of Duquesne's men's basketball game against Loyola Chicago on Tuesday night. So, which was it? A Tuesday or Wednesday? How is this video going viral and no one even knows the actual data behind it? Like, seriously. Though we're still left with plenty more questions and answers, the current consensus is that the game was a backdrop for a YouTuber or TikToker's social media content. Oh geez, the things you do for content, huh? It's one thing to actually have one of these social media stunts or do something for social media, but don't interrupt a game where people are playing very seriously in order to actually win a championship or do a lot more than what is being shown. And in reality, here's what you're doing. This is pretty messed up in my opinion. The delivery person seemed lost and looking around the arena for a little bit, suddenly decided to walk right behind play that spooked a referee and briefly led to a delay in the game. Like I said, it's one thing to deliver to somebody in the game and figure out who it was. I would be calling the customer like crazy. You're interrupting a major basketball game. People are being paid to do this. Imagine if a referee actually ordered food in the middle of a game. They were trying to deliver it to the guy while he's working. I gotta tell you, I would be something similar. I would probably like, hey, where do I deliver this? Where do you want this? I would just put it over to the side. He's like, not now, not now. But I gotta put it somewhere, man. That's not his fault. I can understand where the confusion is coming from, though. According to the Pittsburgh Post-Gazette's Abby Schnabel, someone on the video board had ordered the food and received it, allowing the game to continue. While the explanation would have still raised some questions about quality of Duquesne's security, it was later refuted. Someone who's working the cameras or the video ordered the food, and here you are trying to deliver it to the referee? That doesn't even make sense. Although I will say this, if you were trying to deliver it to a person, wouldn't the security team bring you to that person or even take it from you? Like, seriously. Or even tell you to contact the person so they can come out and get it? Like, what's going on? Loyola's Chicago assistant athletics director Austin Hansen shared the new footage of the incident on Wednesday night, adding that the delivery person was wearing a lavalier microphone and faked the scene for internet clout. Yeah, stop trying to mess up people's games, man. I did not order the McDonald's even though it was being delivered steps from my camera position, Hansen wrote. Here's another question. Did he actually not order the McDonald's? Or did he actually order the McDonald's and then the delivery driver kind of used that as a way to pull that prank? Like, what's happening here, actually speaking? Footage shows that a referee eventually guided the prankster back to the stands with the McDonald's still in his hands. So he didn't even get to deliver the food. Damn shame. Duquesne said in a statement Thursday that it was reviewing its security protocols after the prank. I would too! If you're letting a DoorDash driver just wander into the game, there is a lot of security problems in your system. Duquesne beat Loyola Chicago 72-58, which snapped a two-game losing skid for the Dukes. For what it's worth, the team got a laugh out of it when they thought there was an earnest delivery. And now that they found out that it was a prank, they're not too thrilled about the situation. This is my opinion. It's worth what you pay for it. None of you pay me. There you go. I honestly don't care why you wanted to wander out into the court. You don't mess up a game like that. I honestly think these social media stunts have gotten so far because interrupting literal events that are taking place. What if this was a Broadway show where you gonna deliver it to a actor on the stage? Like, what's going on? What if this was a baseball game? You gonna deliver it to the pitcher? Football game? Are you gonna be on the receiving end of a tackle? Like, come on. Ultimate martial arts. I'd love to see that. I want to see you on the receiving end of a wrestling move. Maybe it'll knock some sense into you. All in all, if you're gonna do some social media stunt, keep it out of sports, keep it out of events like this, because quite honestly, this has gotten out of hand. Because now you got people reviewing their security. You got people who are literally paid to play basketball wondering what the heck is going on with that. This has gotten out of hand overall. And if you're gonna pull a prank, do it on a no-tip customer like everybody else. I'm kidding. That's a joke. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. As always, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace!